E-learning is indispensable at the moment, and that is a fact no one can deny. A report from Manpower Group reveals that a total of 54% of corporations are facing talent shortages, which is more than double the percentage from a decade ago. That is why it is important for every organization out there to keep their staff updated via continuous e-learning training and reskilling. Because as technology advances, e-learning adapts, making training more convenient and effective. We will examine 4 crucial e-learning trends for 2023, which will have a significant effect on the future. 1. Microlearning. Microlearning consists of brief, 3 to 6 minute, targeted lessons that use videos, questionnaires, and game modes to achieve a particular learning goal. Microlearning has been found to improve involvement by 50% and information retention by 50% while halving development costs. The next era of microlearning, according to the Association of Talent Development, ATD, depends completely on inspiration and motivation. You'll need a lot of motivation to acquire new abilities and remember information. But what motivates us, and whether we are inspired at all, varies all the time. When you're hoping for consistent development in your personnel, this isn't exactly a winning formula. Employees may consume bite-sized knowledge whenever and wherever they want with the new generation of microlearning accessible through learning management systems. As a result, it will be easier to make your learning activities appealing to a wide range of employees at the proper moment and thus align with e-learning trends for 2023. 2. Mobile learning. Mobile learning is one of the most underappreciated and understudied e-learning trends among corporations, higher education institutions, as well as other organizations. According to the most recent statistics, about 4 billion people out of the global total of 8 billion use smartphones. A mobile device allows your employees to learn in a personalized and convenient manner. Through the recent global situation, many companies have been forced to at least try to put in place mobile learning to sustain their L&D efforts. The majority of the time, businesses have failed to establish a mobile-friendly e-learning platform for their employees or wards. What a squandered chance! Only a few have succeeded in doing so, and it is certain that if leaders follow e-learning trends for 2023, the companies that succeed in this field in the years to come will see significant growth on a variety of levels. 3. E-learning into the Metaverse. What else do we have in e-learning trends for 2023? The emergence of the Metaverse brings up a whole new range of opportunities for immersive learning and development. Virtual reality is becoming one of the most popular e-learning innovations, and that is just the one of the Metaverse's essence. Technological breakthroughs are allowing educators and learners to communicate as realistic avatars in the digital space. Employees can access the training area via virtual reality headsets, portable devices, or PCs from anywhere in the world, thus profit from group learning. The Metaverse also provides the kind of hands-on interaction that helps students remember what they have learned. The option of being able to create a virtual classroom also deserves recognition. Companies can use virtual reality and augmented reality to provide more realistic simulations to their employees. For example, in a risk-free setting, they will be able to practice new capabilities or practical methods. Or, for troubleshooting purposes, have experts practice constructing and managing physical objects. 4. Learning analytics. Without analytics learning, e-learning is like a sports match without a scoreboard or a trophy. You should evaluate your employees' experiential learning if you wish to use and profit from upskilling them. The analytics that come with your LMS will occasionally throw some static learning analytics at you. Will such data help you improve your L&D by allowing you to make more informed decisions? People are also learning new skills and receiving training via the internet. As a result, learning analytics will meet the requirement by providing insights and analytics to map out your company's e-learning training. Organizational learning in the future will entail far more than technical skills, accountability, and rules and procedures. Many businesses are well aware that education is an important component of a healthy and effective workplace. The role of L&D is evolving to enable better and healthier workplace environments, depending on the trends we're witnessing. A solid training approach is linked to business success. It's an important part of continuing to establish and expand your business. It is time to underline the importance of staff development in your company and to rethink your e-learning strategy in light of that. Visit and follow our Twitter and LinkedIn to find out more.
elearningspread.com, your guide to the world of e-learning.